Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for January 22nd, 2024, featuring Mercury's last morning appearance without a binocular. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:12 a.m. Central Standard Time followed by sunset at 4:53 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. Try to locate Mercury this morning for the last easily observed appearance for this apparition. The planet is quite bright, only Venus is brighter this morning, but by a substantial amount. At 45 minutes before daybreak, the planet is less than 5 degrees above the southeast horizon. Find a clear view of the horizon in that direction. A hilltop or other elevated structure helps the view. Use a binocular to initially locate the planet. Then look for it without any optical assistance. To find Mercury, locate brilliant Venus, over 10 degrees above the southeast horizon. The morning star is lower each morning at this time interval before sunrise. You may have to look around any obstruction that blocks the view. Mercury is 11.2 degrees to the lower left of Venus and the gap between them is too large to fit them into the same binocular field of view. The speedy planet is lower in the sky each morning and it can be tracked into brighter twilight with a binocular. For most sky watchers, we say goodbye to Mercury for this appearance. Look for Antares, the Scorpion's heart, nearly 20 degrees to the upper right of Venus. Mars rises about an hour before sunrise. Mars aficionados get their first view of the red planet, when Mercury passes by in less than a week. The view is challenging, but the conjunction is a close one. In the evening sky. The bright gibbous moon, 93% illuminated, is less than halfway up in the east as darkness falls. The lunar orb is in front of Gemini. The intensity of the moonlight obliterates all but the brightest stars as the full wolf moon phase approaches. Look for the bull's horns nearby, but a binocular might be necessary. Elnath, also known as Beta Tauri, is nearly 9 degrees to the moon's upper right, while Zeta Tauri, the second horn, is a little farther away to the moon's right. At an hour after sundown, bright Jupiter is high in the southern sky. It is 11.1 degrees to the lower left of Hammel, Aries' brightest star, and 14.1 degrees to the upper right of Menkar, part of Cetus. The Jovian giant is slowly moving eastward in front of the Ram and approaching an imaginary line between the two stars. Hammel might be visible without a binocular, but use one to find Menkar. At this time interval after sunset, Saturn is lower in the western sky each evening. The planet, dimmer than Jupiter, but brighter than most stars this evening, is less than 20 degrees above the horizon. Find the star Fomalhaut, over 5 degrees above the horizon and nearly 20 degrees to Saturn's lower left. In a few evenings, the star disappears behind the atmospheric haze that dims and blurs celestial objects. Look for Jupiter, Saturn, and Moon after sundown. Venus sparkles in the morning sky as we bid a winter goodbye to Mercury. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.